Hello, children. How are you all today? I hope you are feeling happy and excited to learn together. Today, we are going to have fun with letter sounds. Yes, you heard that right. We are going to say the sounds of the letters from S to Z. Are you ready? Let's begin. S makes the sound of S, 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 like in sun, like in sad. Say it with me. S makes the sound of S, S, S. T makes the sound of T, 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 like in tiger, like in 10. Say it with me. T makes the sound of T, T, T. U makes the sound of ah, 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 like in umbrella, like in urn. Say it with me. U makes the sound of ah, ah, ah. V makes the sound of V, 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 like in van, like in violin. Say it with me. V makes the sound of V, V, V. W makes the sound of W, 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 like in watch, like in water. Say it with me. W makes the sound of W, W, W. X makes the sound of X, X, X. It comes at the last of a word, like in fox, like in box. Say it with me. X makes the sound of X. Y makes the sound of Y, 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 like in yacht, like in yogurt. Say it with me. Y makes the sound of Y, Y, Y. Z makes the sound of Z, 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 like in zoo, like in zip. Say it with me. Z makes the sound of Z. Wasn't that fun, children? See you next time for more letter fun.